Okay, so good morning students. Now the numericals on osmotic pressures. Before that, already we discussed this, which formula you are using for the determination of molecular weight, which formula is applicable for determining the osmotic pressure, etc. etc. So first numerical is find the osmotic pressure. First one, find the osmotic pressure of solution. Find the osmotic pressure in mm of Hg, in mm of Hg, mm of Hg at 15 degree Celsius of solution of naphthalene, solution of naphthalene in benzene containing 14 gram of naphthalene, 14 gram of naphthalene per liter of solution, per liter of solution, per liter of solutions. Okay, तो ये प्रॉब्लम दिया है. नाउ हियर गिवन में क्वांटिटी आर दिया हुआ है. गिवन इज आर, यूनिवर्सल गैस कांस्टेंट 0.0821 लीटर एटमॉस्फेयर पर केल्विन पर मोल. ओके, तो ये यूनिट है लीटर एटमॉस्फेयर वाला. अभी नैप्थलीन का फॉर्मूला है, naphthalene here C10H8, C10H8. So its molecular weight will be 12 into 10 plus 1 into 8. It will be 128 gram per mole. Understood? Then here W A or naphthalene is given 14 gram, Ma is given, it will be 28 gram. Correct? Volume is also given 1 liter. Temperature is also given 15 degree Celsius. इसको हमें केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करना है, बिकॉज R is given in a liter atmosphere per Kelvin. तो इसको अगर हम केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस प्लस 273, इट विल बी अ 288 केल्विन, 288 केल्विन्स. अंडरस्टूड? सो आपको फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, पाई. सो हियर पाई वी इज इक्वल टू एनआरटी. पाई वी इज इक्वल टू एनआरटी. नाउ एन इज इक्वल टू WA upon MA. WA upon MA. So WA how much it is? 12. Sorry, 14. MA 128. So here it is. The formula is pi is equal to nRT upon V. So pi is equal to, अभी n की वैल्यू क्या होगी, 14 upon 128. So here it is. अभी हम इसको वैसे लिखते हैं 14 upon 128 into R is 0.0821 into T कितना है 288 upon volume is only 1 liter. So pi will be there here. This 2.586 ये आएगा एटमॉस्फेयर में, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी जो हमने आर लिया है लीटर एटमॉस्फेयर में. करेक्ट? तो आएगा एटमॉस्फेयर में. यू नो वेरी वेल 1 एटमॉस्फेयर प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू 760 mm of Hg. You know the barometer device for measuring the atmospheric pressure. So here pi is equal to 2.586 into 760. You will get 2.586 into 760. You will get 1965 mm of Hg. This is a osmotic pressure of this given solutions. Understood? Again I repeat, क्या दिया था हमें? फाइंड द ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर इन mm ऑफ Hg. आपको एटमॉस्फेयर में फाइंड आउट नहीं करने के लिए बोला है, mm ऑफ Hg में फाइंड आउट करना है. एट 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस ऑफ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ नैप्थेलिन इन बेंजीन कंटेनिंग 14 ग्राम ऑफ नैप्थेलिन पर लीटर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन दिया है 1 लीटर, 14 ग्राम क्या दिया है? वेट ऑफ नैप्थेलिन. You know the formula of naphthalene. Naphthalene is there, is just like a two benzene ring fused with each other. Okay, so these two benzene ring fused with each other is called as naphthalene C10H8. So according to that, molecular weight is 128. So 14 upon 128, you are getting the number of moles. So pi PV is equal to nRT and pi is equal to nRT upon V. Pi or P both are same. So applying this value, place the value in this equation and you are getting the pressure in first of all atmosphere, and you know very well 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 mm of Hg, and therefore this pi is equal to 1965 mm of Hg. Understood it is? Okay. Now second numerical, it is here, calculate the strength of solution. Calculate the strength of solution of sugar cane. Sugar cane. It is second numericals. Sugar cane, which has osmotic pressure, which has osmotic pressure, which has osmotic pressure of 2.46 atmosphere at 300 Kelvin. At 300 Kelvin. Okay. Here also the R is given 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Okay. So now which formula is used there? अभी given quantity क्या है आपको पता ही है, आपको पाई दिया हुआ है और टी दिया हुआ है. तो सॉल्यूशन में पाई is equal to CRT. Pi is equal to CRT. So C is equal to RT upon V. RT upon V. Correct? Pi is equal to CRT. So C is equal to RT. Sorry. C is equal to pi upon RT. Pi upon RT. Now you substitute the value. So pi will be 2.46, 0.0821 into 300. So you are getting the concentration is here 0.1 mole per liter. यहाँ है आपका 0.1 mole per liter. So this is a concentration of this solution. It's a very simple phenomenon. Understood? Okay. Now after that, next one is now next third numerical. is based on osmotic pressure. Here glucose solution containing, third one, glucose solution containing 18 gram per liter, 18 gram per liter has an osmotic pressure, has an osmotic pressure of 2.39 atm, 2.39 atm at 23 degree Celsius, 23 degree Celsius. Find the molecular weight of, solute in the solution. Find the molecular weight of solute in the solution. Here R is the 0.0821, 0.0821. Now 821 liter atmosphere per mole per Kelvin, Kelvin per mole, Kelvin per mole. Okay. Now after that here अभी क्या दिया है यहाँ पे देखिए, गिवन क्वांटिटी में WA is given how much, 18 gram, volume is given 1 liter, osmotic pressure is given pi, it is 2.39. उसके बाद टेम्परेचर इज गिवन 23 प्लस 273, यू आर गेटिंग 296 केल्विन. अभी हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, MA फाइंड आउट करना है. MA यू आर टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, सो MA इज इक्वल टू WA इंटू R इंटू T अपॉन पाई into V. WA is 18, R 0.0821, temperature 296 upon pi is there 2.39 into 1. So you are getting this value. Here it is a 183. So MA will be 183 gram per mole. 183 gram per mole. Understood? So this is a determination of molecular weight of solute by using these osmotic pressures. Okay, so please note down this. Okay, thank you.